Hello from Tanjong Pagar, Singapore. Today I'm going to explore the little Korea of Singapore, which is around this area. It's my first time exploring, so join me for this little adventure. Right now, walking towards a trash street. There are some Korean restaurants, I believe, and there are some nice playground here. Oh, there's a very lively and planty kind of hotel called Oasis Hotel. I wonder if there are mosquitoes here at night, man. So many trees. I mean, at inside the hotel room or something. But I guess not, because the staff, the cleaner, housekeeping will actually spray some or put some mosquito repellents. Oh, right, this is Chua Street. Yeah, I saw some restaurants over there. Jeju Sanghae Korean Jeju restaurants. It's a nice car, by the way. I wonder how much it costs. Well, this is our second Korean restaurant. It's called the Bulgogi Korean BBQ. Right here. Check out their menu. $48, man. Buy one get one free. Well, there are a couple of Korean restaurants there. The Kyokyo Nara, Singapore's first Korean fried chicken restaurant, Crash Tao, a Hansik Dining Collectible, and Cheongsang Churong Korean traditional bar. Wow, it looks like very Chinatown. I mean the design, but there are actually many Korean restaurants here. Hey, another green froggy. Do the Koreans love the frog or something like that? Let's take a look at the menu right here. We have the noodle and rice, bulgogi kimbap, BBQ set, and this other cup, man. Look at the big crabs. Wow, there's second level, and there are karaoke rooms here as well. 3-4 of the beer, and then back here the ice cream. Looks very nice. Walking towards the Tanjong Pagar road here, I already saw some Korean restaurants. Amazing, man. And look at the spiral staircase. Wow. Look at this, man. Dao Bam Korean BBQ and bar. It's both a BBQ and a bar, man. I can see the Buddha 2 Red Temple at that side. So right here is the Super Late Korean BBQ. And guess what? I found the pink frog. Let's take a look at the menu. The price seems a bit high on the high end side. But I guess maybe the meat is premium. Yeah, the photos here, man. Very big restaurant. Pretty amazing this place. There are lots of fancy cars. And opposite there are some more BBQ restaurant. There is a BBQ Ja. Whoa. Very retro shop houses. And here we have the Shinkatsu, Japanese premium tonkatsu. So it's not everything is a Korean stuff here, but they have some Japanese restaurants. 1 for $1. I think it's pretty a good deal. The Koreans love the frog, man. Now with the green, the pink one. There are also Japanese restaurant right here, and the aircon is strong from here. Wow, in front of me is a Ferrari, white color. Cost at least 1 million Singapore dollars, man. I'm gonna take a little look here. It's really amazing how all the wealthy people come here and dine. Ferrari. Another restaurant called Mambok. I think the price is insane. But their service, the staff service you by helping you in your orders. Wow, look, there's a Gangnam BBQ, the song Gangnam Style. 35 and fried chicken 24. Soju 2+1, buy 2 get 1 free. During reservation, you get a free portion and borders. Wow, look at that. The Korean restaurant Superstar, Superstar Restaurant, Korean BBQ, and let's take a look at the menu, man. Fried chicken, okay. Oh, half sweet sauce chicken. You know the Korean love chicken, especially the sweet chicken. Even their noodles are sweet, man. Really, they eat spicy. Unless there's a reason so. Oh, there's another atas looking car, green color one. You know the walls are some interesting poster, right? Back to the 90s, special stuff for the young. The ice cream right here, and here you have the handmade gelato under the name of Fifth and Moments Cake Waffle Gelato Coffee. And there are some wedding shops here, you know, Thomas Wedding Collections. Curry authentic Korean BBQ. Oppa restaurants. Another Oppa restaurant, but this one is jjajang as well. Oh, the prices are insane, man. Now we're the golden frog of the year from the Dutum restaurant. It specializes in crab and a fire oven pork set. I see a hotel, Carte City right here in Tanjong Pagar Plaza. Yeah, I think I see Chinese as well. It's just staring at us, facing the road. There's hawker center here upstairs, level 2. Level 1, they're selling some fruits. It's really interesting. This one is shorter. The shortest sightseeing I've seen so far. You know, food in Singapore is not too expensive, even though it's imported, right? In other countries like Japan, it can be more expensive. And there are flowers as well. Carte City Hotel. What is this, man? Porridge buffet. Oh, it's right there. Look at this hotel, man. Oasia Hotel. And Carte City is just beside. Now there's a cool name called Dixon National Park, and another mall here called Icon Village. But that's not the mall I want to go to. I want to go to 100 AM. I think it's a brown building in front. You know, sometimes finding new malls can be like this sometimes. Oh, the buildings are so tall, man. Designer firm. I'm at the entrance of 100 AM. So it's directly opposite the Tanjong Pagar Plaza with the Thai train right there. Let's check what stuff we have here for a while. Some nice restaurant in Nanyang Dao. So cool bakery. Latte and coffee has been famous these few years.